Hey there, before we dive into this pen review, be sure to stick around till the end of this video so I can tell you all about my giveaway. I'll see you then. Hey there, Sharice here from Pieces Calligraphy. Thanks for joining me for this pen review. I know you guys love these videos. Super excited to film this one. I got this package from JetPens. I added this, of course. And I wanted to do sort of an unboxing or unbagging with you. Literally my first, basically just like my first experience with these pens. I thought that would be kind of a neat way to introduce them to you, kind of like my first look at them. Okay, so here we go, lots of fun colors. These are the Funwari brushes. I hope I'm saying that right. If you know how to pronounce that, let me know down below. Phonetic spelling would be appreciated. All right, so let's check out all these colors. These are the Zebra Funwari brushes, and I'm super excited because I heard that they write pretty small, like the size of the strokes are pretty tiny, but it's really cool that they come in all these colors. If you're excited to hear about more pen reviews, let me know. Just give this video a thumbs up. Say hi in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. It's just nice to know someone's watching me on the other side of the screen, and keep on watching and we'll play with all of these pens together. All right, so I'm going to pull out a guide sheet here. This is just so I have a little bit of structure to write with. And if you want to grab these guide sheets, I'll put a link down below. All right, so I'm gonna unopen all of these pens. You don't have to watch this part. Let me just fast forward through this. Okay, so here they are in all of their glory. Fun, fun, fun. You know, who needs a bouquet of roses? They're gonna die anyway. Give me a bouquet of brush pens. All right, so check it out, guys. So Zebra Funwari brushes, they are a very tiny tip. Can you see that? Look how tiny that is. Let's just do a couple of test strokes here. Zoom you guys in. All right, so let's check out how this flexes. What I usually do when I test out a pen is I just kind of do my usual basic strokes. I may not pay attention so much to actually staying in the guidelines, just to kind of like really see the pen. Like I know I have guidelines here, but I'm just, wow, noticing how tiny that hairline is. You're gonna love this. And then let's go ahead and let's add some pressure. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of pressure here. And by pressure, I mean pressing down so that the side of the pen goes to the side of the paper. And then let's press down even more. And I'm gonna see if I can press down a little bit more. So it can get pretty thick, and that's really me pressing down on the side of the pen. And I love that it's pretty sturdy. As much as it's a hard tip, I love that when I press down, it seems to hold its firm tip. And so even though it has that nice flex, let's do a couple of thick to thins. Even though it has that flex, it's pretty strong. Oh, but now I'm off the screen. Okay. Love it. Okay. Let's do a couple of ovals. You're probably wondering, why am I not staying in the guidelines that I put out for myself? I'm just kind of playing around here. And if you're wondering, I've heard about these basic strokes. I do have a fun basic stroke series. It's a little outdated, but if you are interested, you can check that out on my YouTube channel. I have a little playlist going. Okay. All right, so kind of played around there with those pens. These are all just different colors, so I'm sure these are equally just as fun and very nice to handle. I love that the size of the pen kind of is just kind of like a regular size pen, not too large, not too small. Okay, let's do the alphabet. That's usually a fun one to do. So I'm going to go ahead and just do that right now. Awesome, I was able to fit the whole alphabet here. Fun, fun, fun. Again, it's very nice to have a small tip brush pen that comes in a lot of colors, and it's just a nice variation. I often talk about the Pentel Sign Pen, which is my favorite all time, but it's really nice to also have an option like this where it's a little bit firmer of a tip. Okay, so I have a clean sheet of Rhodia right here, and one of my favorite things to do is to write out all of the colors. Now, I don't know if these have official colors, but they seem pretty basic, so I'll just go ahead and write the color that is obviously here. Let's do a fun kind of modern script with it. Now, I usually do a hyperlapse at this point. Let me know down below if you would prefer that hyperlapse. I'm guessing not. Or if you are liking the real time, because obviously real time is nice because it's real. It's how I'm actually writing in person. And hyperlapses are nice as well because you can kind of see the whole thing right away. And it's just a lot faster to get through the whole word or the whole clip. Look, I'm somehow gravitating back to traditional. Red, orange, blue. So let me know, are you a fan of hyperlapses or would you prefer the real time? And also another reason to do the hyperlapse is because these videos can get kind of long if I capture the whole real time-ness. And further, I'm actually writing pretty fast. Even though this is real time, I'm writing faster than I would like you to write, especially if you are a beginner. But for the sake of the video, and I get pretty impatient, I'm just kind of rushing a little bit through. 8 colors, fun. Okay, so even within this set of pens I got, they actually didn't come together as a set, they were all individually wrapped, but some of them are a little bit even firmer than others. What I mean by that is they're all generally firm, but even between like this gray one compared to this purple one, there's a lot more flex in the purple one. So you will get some variation among the pens there. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love to know what pen you'd like me to try next. I have a little queue here, but if you have some pens that you haven't seen yet and would like me to try out, definitely leave me a comment below. I'd love if you'd hit that thumbs up button. It helps just for me to know what videos you guys like. And I will see you guys in the next one. And let me know if you get a chance to try these pens. Again, shout out to JetPens for sending them to me. Super appreciate it. I will leave a link down below to these pens so you guys can check them out as well. So until next time, guys, see you later. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking to the end with me. Now I get to tell you about my super fun giveaway. Just a quick thank you to JetPens for making this giveaway possible, and again for sending me these pens, because otherwise I wouldn't have known about them. So if you would like to be entered to win a set of these fun pens, then head over to my Instagram at Pieces Calligraphy. I'll leave a link down below, and check out that post that you see here in this photo, and you can enter to win. Make sure that you read the rules. There are a couple of rules there, but otherwise I wish you all the luck, and I can't wait to announce the winner. So I will see you over on Instagram, and I hope you enjoyed the pen review. Talk to you guys later. Bye.